Welcome to In Jamaica. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Porcupine fish are fish belonging to the family Dianthodidae, order Tetraodentiformes, and are commonly referred to as blowfish, and sometimes balloonfish and globefish. Not to be confused, the porcupine fish are also called pufferfish because they are morphologically similar to the closely related Tetraodentidae, which are commonly given the name pufferfish. Porcupine fish are medium to large size fish and gets its name from the numerous long spines located all over the head and body. They are found in shallow, temperate and tropical seas. A few species are found much further out from shore, wherein large schools of thousands of individuals can occur. Adult porcupine fish generally linger inshore around the areas that offer shelter, such as caves, shipwrecks, reefs, and ledges. They are often seen residing in holes and crevices within the reef complex. The juvenile porcupine fish seen here are pelagic, meaning being neither close to the bottom nor near the shore until reaching 8 inches, approximately 20 centimeters in length, after which they become benthic, meaning they will go to the lowest level of the ocean. Porcupine fish are generally slow, but the distinctive natural defenses help to compensate for its slow movements. The fish moves by combining pectoral, dorsal, anal, and caudal fin motion, which makes it highly maneuverable, but very slow. The tail fin is mainly used as a rudder, but it can be used for a sudden evasive burst of speed. The porcupine fish's excellent eyesight, combined with this speed burst, is the first and most important defense against predators. A second defense mechanism is provided by the sharp spines, which radiate outwards when the fish is inflated. The porcupine fish will fill its extremely elastic stomach with water or air when outside the water, thereby becoming rounder. The inflation also increases the fish size, almost double vertically, reducing the range of potential predators to those with much bigger mouths. A hungry predator will find itself facing an unpalatable, pointy ball rather than a slow, easy meal. Adults are sometimes preyed upon by sharks and killer whales. Juveniles are also preyed on by tuna and dolphins. Some species are poisonous, having tetrodotoxin in their internal organs, such as ovaries and liver. This neurotoxin is more potent than cyanide, at least 1,200 times, and the poison is produced by several types of bacteria obtained from the fish's diet. They have few predators as a result of the two earlier mentioned defenses and some species being poisonous. The porcupine fish are eaten as seafood in Cebu, the Philippines, where they are called tonga-tongan, and the other regions around the world, to include Jamaica. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.